Imagine sitting across from a robot, sharing your deepest secrets, your happiest memories, or even your biggest fears. Would you feel comfortable opening up to a machine? Would you trust it to understand you, or even care about what you're saying? This is a question many people are starting to ask as robots and artificial intelligence become a bigger part of our lives. That's what emotional AI is all about. It's technology designed to understand, interpret, and even react to our feelings, almost like a friend would. The goal is to make machines that can sense when we're happy, sad, or even stressed, and respond in ways that feel comforting or supportive. But can machines really feel emotions the way we do? The answer, at least for now, is no. They don't actually experience happiness, sadness, or love. Instead, they're learning to act as if they do, using data and clever programming to mimic our emotional responses. It's a bit like acting, but for computers. Just as an actor can pretend to be sad or joyful on stage, a robot can be programmed to show a smile or offer comforting words, even if it doesn't truly feel those emotions inside. These machines learn by watching us, how we talk, how our faces change when we're excited or upset, and how we use our voices. They gather all this information and try to copy it, hoping to make their responses feel more natural and human-like. Think of it like teaching a parrot to say, "I love you." The parrot can repeat the words perfectly, but it doesn't really understand what they mean or feel the emotion behind them. The parrot is simply mimicking what it hears, not truly feeling the love or joy in the words it repeats. It's a clever imitation, but not the real thing. That's exactly what emotional AI is doing right now. Mimicking human emotions to make our interactions with machines feel more natural and relatable. But behind the scenes, it's still just code and clever programming, not real feelings. Emotional AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can understand, respond to, and even simulate human emotions. It's like teaching computers to have emotional intelligence or EQ. They learn by analyzing tons of data, like text messages, voice recordings, and even facial expressions. This helps them recognize patterns in human behavior and predict how someone might be feeling. It's still early days, but emotional AI is already being used in many different ways. Imagine feeling lonely or anxious. Maybe it's late at night, and you just wish you had someone to talk to, but everyone you know is busy or asleep. Those moments can feel endless and isolating. Wouldn't it be nice to have someone to talk to? Someone who listens without judgment? Someone who's always there, ready to hear you out, no matter what time it is or how you're feeling. That's where emotional AI can help. These digital companions are designed to listen, respond, and support you when you need it most. Apps like Replika and Woebot offer companionship and support for people struggling with their mental health. They use artificial intelligence to simulate real conversations, making it feel like you're talking to a caring friend. They can provide a safe space to vent, offer coping mechanisms, and suggest helpful exercises or resources tailored to your needs. Sometimes, just knowing someone or something is there to listen can make you feel less alone, even if it's a virtual friend. Plus, they're available 24/7, offering support whenever you need it, which is something even the best human friend can't always provide. While emotional AI has its benefits, it also raises some important questions. As these systems become more advanced, they're increasingly able to read our facial expressions, analyze our tone of voice, and even interpret the words we use in texts and emails. This can make our interactions with technology feel more personal and responsive than ever before. But can we really trust machines with our feelings, especially when they don't truly understand them? After all, AI doesn't experience emotions the way humans do. It can only make educated guesses based on data and patterns, not genuine empathy or lived experience. What if they misinterpret our emotions or worse, manipulate us? Imagine a scenario where an AI misunderstands your sadness as anger or tries to influence your decisions based on what it thinks you feel. The potential for mistakes or even exploitation is real. These are valid concerns, and it's crucial to approach emotional AI with caution. We need to ask tough questions about privacy, consent, and the ethical use of our emotional data. Who gets access to this information, and how will it be used? It's important to remember that AI, even emotional AI, is a tool. It can help us connect, support mental health, and make technology more accessible, but it also has the power to invade our privacy or reinforce biases if not carefully managed. Like any tool, it can be used for good or bad, The outcome depends on the intentions of those who design and deploy it, as well as the safeguards we put in place to protect ourselves. The future of emotional AI depends on how we choose to develop and use it. Will we prioritize transparency, fairness, and respect for human emotions, or will we let convenience override our need for trust and safety? So, what do you think? Would you trust an AI with your feelings? As we move forward, these are questions we all need to consider, because the choices we make today will shape the relationship between humans and technology for years to come.